Hey guys, let's go over the agenda for this week. So you will notice that you have the 6.1 video notes. This needs to be completed before coming to class. And this is located in Schoology Chapter 6, 6.1 through 6.3. There is an extra copy of your 6.1 notes, so if you did lose your pink packet, you will still be able to complete those before coming to class. And then you will complete 6.1 homework. This is on big ideas. And then in class, we will be going over 6.1. We will complete 6.2 and 6.3 notes. And then we have a couple of activities to complete. If you are gone, please let me know, and I will send you the video notes for 6.2 and 6.3. So that's all we have for this week. Everything is due on March 2nd, except those video notes. Those are due before coming to class. All right, let's get started.